Hello children, today we are going to learn topic number 1.8 word basket and sound of letter A in standard 2 subject English. Look, listen and repeat with me. Bat, cat, cap, tap, bag. Now look at the pictures and match them with their names. Bat, bat, cat, cat, cap, cap, tap, tap, bag, bag. Now read aloud and match the same words. Here letter A sounds A. Match the same words. Can, can. Has, has. Sat, sat. Bag, bag. Had, had. Rat, rat. Jam, jam. Hat, hat. Sad, sad. Mat, mat. Pan, pan. Man, man. In this way, look, listen, repeat and read. Hi cat. What is that? It is a mat. The fat cat sat on a mat. Here, look carefully. Letter A is underlined here. Letter A sounds A. म्हणजेच येथे ए या अक्षराचा आवाज ए असा होतो. कॅट, फॅट, मॅट, सॅट. हाय रॅट. व्हॉट इज दॅट? इट इज अ bat. A rat has a bat. The bat is in a bag. Here letter A is underlined. Letter A sounds A. ए या अक्षराचा आवाज ए असा होतो. रॅट, बॅट, बॅग, हॅज. हाय सॅम. व्हॉट इज दॅट? इट इज अ जॅम. सॅम हॅज जॅम इन द कॅन. हिअर लेटर ए इज अंडरलाइन्ड. लेटर ए साऊंड्स ए. ए या अक्षराचा आवाज येथेही या असाच होतो. हॅज, जॅम, कॅन. If you like this video, then like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.